is 2008 Geometry SOL, question number 22. What is the value of z? Now when I take a look at the information I'm given, I want to first look at this triangle right here. Now, I'm given an angle of 45 degrees. This angle over here must also be 45 because I'm going to have a 90-degree corner in that angle right there. Now, if I have a 45 degree triangle, that means two of my legs are going to be identical. I'm given one leg is 4, which means this side over here must also be 4. Now I'm going to go over to my other triangle right here and take a look at these two pieces. Now, if this side here is 4, then that's going to mean that this side over here is also going to be 4 because that's one of my other legs. So now I've got a 45 degree triangle with this side being 4 and this side being 4. Now, z is what I don't know. In a 45 triangle, to find the missing side, if I'm given two legs, all I need to do is add a square root of 2 onto my given length. The correct choice is H. Now, another technique that you could use for this very same problem would be, instead of remembering that piece of it, you could also find that side by using the Pythagorean theorem. And if you were to use a Pythagorean theorem, you'd have 4 squared plus 4 squared equals z squared. So that would be 16 plus 16 equals z squared. So then 32 is z squared. Taking the positive square root of 32 is what z would be. Now when I simplify that, I'm going to end up with square root of 16, and square root of 2 will be my two factors. And the reason I chose those two is because my first term, square root of 16, is a perfect square factor. That is going to simplify just down to 4, and then I'll still have my square root of 2 for the letter z. In either case, you end up with choice H as the correct answer.